This is that poster pot, post-pot, ghosts on the block, supposed to be close, but I swear right now they close to be not. Put the gold in the pot, put them on, bring them on, you can hope that they drop. But I bomb with them on, bomb with the ones, they be hoping I pop. You open or not, you openly admitting you not. You openly be spitting shit, you don't be living a lie. You Robin Givens giving these women a reason to stop. I'm Michael Tyson, Bison, reliving the villainous plot. My vision of rock, my vision is cop, killer corrupt, the spot, filler, so who, real's enough. I'm calling you bluff, I slaughter all your borders you trust. They won't be carrying your orders, automatically dust. I'm automatically rush, plus grammatically tough. Trust the elephant tusk, trunk hangs over the top pump. Who want it? I'm guaranteed to get it and flaunt it. I'm playing Buckley as my intro when I enter the booklet.
Ash to ashes, dust to dust. Let tomorrow have its way with the promises we made. Skin the bones, steel the rust.
You can't stop it, all you can do is watch it while it's happening. Like a tragic accident, rappers go and get your coffin. Skin to bone, the Hiram a bit for this rap shit. My legacy set in stone for show, no asterisk, concept immaculate. Start to finish, I'm Lil Wayne's dentist. Look at the platinum plaques I'm getting. It's not an accident, you flew off the roof. You said you was fly, so I just wanna see if it's true. I got the juice like GQ, but I wish it was Grey Goose. Let it mix with my prescriptions and not turn into Keith Moon. A T2 Terminator, demigod Jesus, Fort Minor, we major. Let's take it to phase 2. The mission isn't finished yet. I've been on the internet, hearing fans talking. Maybe we should consider it. Skin the bone and steel the road. Yeah. I'm on some taxidermy rap shit, talk about some raw game. You're nothing but a trophy mounted on my door frame. I spit that propane, light you with a slow flame, and watch you burn until there's nothing but a gold chain. Yeah, you'll be some crispy critters. You wish you with us, you wish what we did, you did it. You can't, you kidding? I don't have a shoe you fit in. You're as soft as a motherfucking newborn kitten. I'm an animal tearing flesh in the bone, randomly ripping everything gone. Lest they forget what, then let it be known. I bury every competitor, every predator, anyone ever forget it, you'll regret it forever. Never been nothing short of a legend, you peasants will learn. I stay standing in the front like I'm forgetting my turn. For these matchstick rappers, this is meeting adjourned. I ain't even gotta match them, I'm just letting them burn. I'm just letting them burn.